Today we're going to look at the Dealey Plaza area of Dallas in a Dronelink mission, and we'll also be taking a closer look at the Dronelink mission itself and specifically how the export in a KMZ file from Dronelink into Google Earth is a helpful way to preview exactly what the camera angles and views you've designed in Dronelink will actually be recording. So let's take a look at the Dronelink mission for Dealey Plaza. In Dronelink, you can set up the mission with all of your waypoints and your markers to control your altitude and speed and gimbal orientation. You can do all of that in Dronelink, certainly. In addition to planning the mission in Dronelink, a major benefit is the visualization of the mission. Let's take a quick look at that before we move on to looking at the produced video footage from the mission. But if you click over here where it says Mission Preview, you'll see that it will open up a two-dimensional preview of the mission. This is very helpful because you can get a pretty good idea of where you're positioning the drone and the gimbal angles relative to a two-dimensional map. However, this is not the only way to visualize your mission in Dronelink. In fact, the technique I have developed a liking for more is exporting a KML file to Google Earth, where you can see very, very specifically the exact positioning and the exact views of your camera in your mission. So in Dronelink, though, in the two-dimensional mode, you can see, if we speed it up here a little bit, the type of preview available. I'll pause that. So this two-dimensional map isn't the best view, but it does give you a pretty good reference. In addition to the two-dimensional mapping view built into the Dronelink application, you can click here over here on Export to Google Earth, which we will do right now. And it creates a KMZ file that you can then open up in Google Earth to get an even better view. And what you can do in Google Earth, of course, would be to open up the flight motion selection, double-click that, and it will show you a simulation of the flight as you've designed it in Dronelink. Now you're looking at it in Google Earth, which is very, very helpful, of course. And by speeding up a little bit, here's the view as in Google Earth of the mission. Very similar to what we'll see in the finished video production. Turning the camera towards the point of interest here, being located on the grassy knoll near the Abraham Zapruder filming location, and the schoolbook depository. Now you'll see in a moment when we play the video footage how accurate the Google Earth representation of the mission is. It's extremely accurate. Back in Dronelink for a moment, you also have access to some excellent graphs that help you double check and visualize, what your altitude is doing. And as you can click and drag, as you can see here, as I drag to a particular part of the mission, I can see, okay, at this point I'm going back up to about 300 feet in altitude. That's located here in the mission. As I've come back across the railroad tracks and am heading over to the Courthouse and JFK Memorial area of Dealey Plaza. So these graphics that are offered are very helpful in Dronelink, showing total distance from your takeoff location, and again, you're able to drag through or push play and see exactly how far away you are on this horizontal distance graph. You also have your speed available, represented graphically throughout the entire mission, indexed by time, vertical speed, rotational speed also indicated. So Dronelink giving you some very helpful metrics in a graphical format connected to the waypoint representation of your mission. It's just a very convenient way to plan and program exactly what's going to be happening with the drone. So why don't we take a look at the video from the Dealey Plaza mission?
you.